Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be making a tutorial on how I take off my makeup stroke my nighttime skincare routine in order to get rid of acne. So guys, if you want to see a tutorial on how I take off my makeup stroke my nighttime skincare routine to get rid of acne, keep watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. So guys, having said that, let's get started. So guys, the first thing I do is to take off my falsies. Then I'll be going in with olive oil in order to soften the makeup on my face. Okay guys, I just apply some on my pen, then go all over my face in order to apply it all over my face. Okay guys, so guys, on my forehead, on my eyes. So guys, I as well go over my lips, making use of the same olive oil. Okay guys, after that I'll be making use of makeup remover wipes. Okay, but for hair I'm making use of baby wipes. Okay guys, in order to remove the makeup stains on my face. Okay guys, I make use of the wipes, okay, the baby wipes, in order to clean up my face. Okay guys, to remove the makeup. So guys, as you guys can see, I went in with some extra baby wipes. Okay guys, in order to make sure that I remove every makeup particles on my face and on my eyes. Okay. So guys, after that, I was well make use of a baby wipe. Okay, in order to clean up my lips. Okay guys, wipe out the lipstick I have on. Okay. So guys, when I'm through with that, I'll be going in with this Johnson Baby Active Fresh Bath. Okay guys, I'll be applying it on my face. Okay guys, this is to make sure that every makeup particles on my face, okay, I'm able to remove it. Okay guys, after that I'll go into the shower, then wash it off. Okay guys, so guys, I apply it all over my face, then after that I wash it off. Okay, so guys, after washing off my face, I make use of a towel in order to wipe out the water on my face, or to clean up my face. And then I'll be going in with this baby face facial cleanser, okay, and the one called papaya extract, in order to clean up my face. Then I'll be applying the facial cleanser, the baby face facial cleanser, on a cotton pad. Okay, then I will go all over my face in order to clean up any excess makeup product remaining. Okay, so guys, this is basically what I do in order to get rid of acne, okay, breakout I recently have. So guys, I went in with more of the facial cleanser and cotton pad, okay, even all over my neck, because I apply foundation on my neck sometimes or most times. So guys, then I'll be going in with this Garnier Active Acne and Oil Cleansing Foam. Okay guys, then I'm going to apply some on my pen, and then start applying it all over my face, or massaging it into my face. Okay, so guys, as you guys can see, I didn't apply this around my eye areas. Okay guys, I just applied this all over my face, but not on my eyes. Okay, and then guys, I allowed it for like 5 minutes, then I washed it off. Okay guys, after washing it off, guys, so guys, I went in with this Garnier Skin Naturals Intense Spot Action. Okay guys, in the light complete set. Okay guys, this one is used for concentrated anti-spot whitening. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead to apply some drops of it, okay, on my pen. Then I applied it on my face, guys. So guys, as well, I didn't apply it all over my eye areas, okay, and it smells so good. So guys, I went ahead applying more drops, okay, to make sure that I cover my face properly. And then guys, I'll be going in with this baby head to toe moisturizer from Drypers. Okay, it contains avocado extract. Okay, so I'll be applying it on my face, guys. I love making use of these baby products because it's very soft and made to the skin. Okay. And so guys, after that, for my lips, I'll be applying this rosy lips from Vaseline. Okay, lip therapy. Okay guys, I'll go ahead to apply it on my lips. And then guys, yeah, that is it. This is what I do in order to get rid of my acne. Okay guys, and also how I take off my makeup. So guys, thank you so much guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on my Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook and Twitter. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.